Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to find the value of x when minus 1 by 5 power 20 divided by minus 1 by 5 power 15 is equals to minus 1 by 5 power 5x. So let's start with the today's video solution. As we know the quotient rule of exponent, that is a power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So I'm going to use this rule on LHS side. So minus 1 by 5 power, I can write 20 minus 15 is equals to minus 1 by 5 power 5x. So minus 1 by 5 power 5 is equals to minus 1 by 5 power x, 5x. Now, as we know that if the bases are equal, their power are also equal. So 5 is equals to 5x. Now, I'm dividing both sides by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is equals to 5x divided by 5. So we can eliminate. This gives us 1 and this gives us x. So the value of x is 1. I hope it's clear and easy to find. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned.